So please write down in your notebook. Today we are going to do a breathing and voice control, जो आपकी stammering में बहुत help करने वाला है, and this will really help you to get out of that fear. So we are doing breathing and voice control. Breathing के साथ voice control, what is the connection between that? Do you sing?
Breathing and voice control.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Speak little louder.
Yes, means when we take breath and the
You
speaking,
sing or not? What I'm asking is, you sing?
not probably.
कुछ भी गाना, मराठी का एक गाना.
No.
All right. When you sing a song, even if you sing in a bathroom or गुनगुनाते तो हो गई ना. So that time you will see that there is a lot of connection between when you breathe and when you see. Have you heard R. Madhavan singing a song? R. Madhavan, who is that? Who has a single breath song? Breathless बोल के song था.
पर शंकर महादेव.
शंकर महादेवन, yes. So how do you think उन्होंने उस 60 minutes का पूरा 60 second का पूरा song without breathing गा लिया होगा?
Actually, it's not possible. But when we
Not
practice,
possible at all. He has
yes,
practiced it where to breathe.
yes,
Okay, so we have to practice. Why are you stammering? Because you are breathing in between. जब हम बात करते करते बीच में सांस लेने की कोशिश करते हैं, वो गले में जाके अटक जाता है, and that's how it gives you a process of stammer.
yes.
Okay, so with the right breathing, you every morning you have to do अनुलोम विलोम, have to do. अगर आपको जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ना है, आपको योगा का ब्रीदिंग करना ही पड़ेगा for most of the time in the morning 10 minutes. ये अपने लिए आपको देना ही पड़ेगा if you really want to look forward. Okay, I will teach you couple of techniques. Those techniques you have to do, and Shirley को मैंने दिया था to train you for that practice of reading, slow reading, loud reading, controlled reading, that you have to practice. आगे बढ़ने के लिए हमें कुछ ना कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा, right?
Yes.
So next thing is our objective. I want you to read this objective slowly.
To help participants control breathing and voice for confident, fluent, and relaxed English speaking.
Right? You did not stammer at all. क्यों?
Yes. Because the words are mostly used words.
Most used to words, and not also like that, because you need not have to think. जब आपकी सोच और आपका ये एक साथ आता है, then you stammer.
Yes.
Okay? So उन दोनों को आपको कंट्रोल करना है. Now participants is a incorrect pronunciation. PAR को हम pronounce नहीं करते हैं. We call it as participants. बताइए. Sorry?
Participants.
Correct. So it is not participants, participants.
Participants. Yes.
Please write it down.
Participants.
Write it down. Okay. All right. You take care and stop sharing, and we will meet tomorrow. Put an alarm so that you don't sleep.
Yes, definitely.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Yes.
Okay.